Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. How you doing? Today we're going to make a mutton curry. Mutton being a kind of lower quality lamb, so a bit of a stewing one. We're turning this beautiful mutton into amazing, fall off the bone, super tender Indian curry. It is delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So before I get started, just want to let you know that the amounts of everything are going to be in the text below for you to look at. We've got our mutton or lamb here, bone in, you know, like different bits of bone there, a bit of fat. It's not the best quality of meat, I have to say, but we're going to make it really delicious. Onion, tomato, fresh chili, garlic ginger paste, cumin powder, chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric, and then our whole seeds here, cumin seeds, dried red chili. Let's get to the cooker. Start this off with some oil. Okay, so I've got my pan here, my wok, whatever you're going to use. Now I've got some oil in here. I'm using sunflower oil, and I've deliberately added quite a lot of oil in this one. You can use way less if you want. It will make sense at the end, but yeah, it is a lot of oil, and I'm fully aware of it. Let's get in our cumin seeds and our red chili. To that I'm going to add some curry leaves. I didn't show you these earlier, but you can get curry leaves. They are wonderful. Fresh curry leaves are beautiful. If you can't get them, see if you can get some dried ones. Not quite the same, but that's fantastic. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drop in all our mutton into the mix. And we're going to go for about 6 or 7 minutes on a fairly lively heat. Really want to give this one a head start. Fabulous. Next up, we're going to go in with our onion. Stay on this fairly lively heat, another 4 minutes. Fabulous again, look at that. We're going to start now to add in everything. Garlic ginger paste, in that goes. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. Used all the time here. You can buy it from a store, or you can make it yourself. We make our own one here, and there is a video for it. I'll try and remember to leave the link at the end. Okay, next up, let's get in the chili powder and the cumin powder, the coriander and the turmeric, salt, our fresh chili. You can chop your chili if you want. I've just kind of left it quite large. Chop it smaller if you want to. Oh, I've just lost a bit of lamb there. Looking absolutely super fab. We're now going to add in our tomato. Try and use a nice ripe tomato. Let me fetch that little bit of lamb that escaped, or mutton that escaped. Okay, about 5 minutes, staying again on this lively heat. When I say lively, it's way above medium, not quite full blast. Keep it moving. What we want is to get some moisture, liquid from those tomatoes. And then we're going to go to a nice long simmer. Okay, now I've done really well with the amount of moisture I've got from my tomatoes. You might not have. Don't worry about that, because we're about to add more water now anyway. Cold water. We're now going to go to a nice low simmer Very low. Lid's going to go on. You want to let that go now for about 30 to 40 minutes, depending on the size of the pieces of meat you have. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, let's jump in and take a look. That is looking fabulous. Now what I want to do is turn the heat up, and I'm going to get this cooking for about 10 minutes on a fairly lively heat. Then we're pretty much done. So what this process has done, as you can see, is cooking it on a higher heat with the lid off. It's evaporated out a lot more, thickened up. You've got a beautiful, beautiful masala there. I'm going to finish this off with a little bit of garam masala powder, a beautiful finishing spice. If you wanted, you could add some cilantro or coriander, or some mint or nana, whatever you call that. Little stir in, and that's a beauty. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.